They look more to me like flying lizards. I have witnessed many testimonies in Nigeria, live and on TV, where witches were apprehended and interrogated. They usually ask them questions like, how many birds have you? They will answer saying things like, I have 2 birds, some 3 birds, some up to 7 birds. An exercise was performed at the prayer ground. They vomited and dead birds came out of them. They were asked what they do with the birds. Some said the birds were unleashed to pick and eat our people's prayer, so it does not get to God. Some said they use their birds to steal people's glory. The witches were asked, why do you steal people's glory? They answer, so to prevent the people from prospering.
Night vigils, crusades and many religious mass gatherings are common in Nigeria. Usually, in congregations like these, hopes and expectations are high. Many faithful see such gatherings as an opportunity for an encounter with miraculous manifestations. Some hopes are met, some not. It is already in the thinking of many Africans that witchcraft is responsible for their personal and economic predicaments. There are also evident cases of strange ailments. When strange illness defies all available orthodox medications, as it happens in some cases, in Africa, there is only one source to turn to: religion. Spiritual deliverance is a popular terminology in Africa's religious settings. Genuine and amazing healing of strange ailments have been witnessed, being performed by some religious practitioners, blessed with supernatural prowess. Notwithstanding, there are fraudulent elements and scammers who take advantage of victims in desperate need of spiritual solutions. Some Africans are less objective and more spiritual as you may think. To some, their childlessness, joblessness and poverty is the causative of their adversaries, described in many religious books as principalities and powers. We may attribute this to laziness while there are no facts to support such notions, but there are fact-finding journalism that brings into open the authenticity of such claims. Judging by the accuracy and consistency, in the interrogation and confession of apprehended witches, you might not help believing in this super reality, called witchcraft.
I tried again to move, but I could not. It was like being frozen alive, but with no code of rules. Then I noticed that the entire room has taken a pale nature. There were no vibrant colors other than dark shades and tints. I twisted my eyeballs to see what was happening to my friend who stood beside me. She just lay frozen with no movement or sign of life. Then I took a look at the kerosene lantern placed on the table, which was the only source of light. It was there with its light, but not burning. It was light. Everything in the room has assumed a state of pause, except for the witch and the horse. Then there was this background music coming from nowhere. I could hear a group of people singing at drum beats. I could hear clearly the lyrics. It was simply a mockery of those who sleep at night.
Fascinated about the situation unfolding before his eyes, Tay Martins was amazed when mystery suddenly became reality. This is no Harry Potter or fiction. This is no dream or vision. This is the unsolicited adventure of a man, caught in the world of spirits, when the impossible became his reality. Tay was just about to find out, a strange concept of another existence.
At this time, the witch was no longer fondling with me, but she stood gallantly over me, just like a captor over her captive. I wouldn't have known what else she intends to do. It was like I had all the time in the world to observe all that was going on around me.
The science behind this mystery is that time has been put to a stop. The stop of time brought about space, a domain for spirits to operate. If there is a clock in the room, it's definitely not moving at that very point in time. Many of these concepts witnessed in science fiction movies are possibilities that just became a reality. Technically, he was caught in the balance, in between time, which is the physical world, and space, the spirit world. This is the power of witchcraft.
I was so intrigued about what was happening around me, such that I almost forgot I was under a witchcraft attack. Suddenly, it occurred to me that I'm still thinking. I'm still thinking with my mind. Meaning that my mind is not frozen. Then I had this mind-blowing feelings. I saw a witch alive in their act. Not many people live to tell such stories. Witches are dangerous and elusive.
Within his predicament, he suddenly acquired a mysterious sense of understanding. Like a mind blink, the secrets of the spirits revealed to him. His fears begin to crumble.
Then I started thinking, how do I get out of this? There must be a way out. Suddenly, a voice whispered to my mind, call Jesus. But how? I asked. I'm frozen from head to toe. I can't even move my tongue or mouth. The voice said again, quietly, call Jesus. So I focused all my strength into calling Jesus. I started by calling him with the voice in my mind. Like Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. And as I did, I realized that my tongue was getting loosed. I felt movement in my mouth. I didn't give up. I kept trying. And shortly, I was able to voice out his name. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. By the beginning of my first call of Jesus, 3 frightful things happened within 2 seconds. 1. The witch zoomed into the door with tremendous speed, and the mystical door closed so fast, such that I heard a loud bang. 2. The bird flew from the walls into the ceilings, and I could hear as they crashed out of the roofings. 3. The light from the lantern resumed movement. The nature of the room regained its color. I was up sitting on the mattress, and so was my friend, who woke up at my calling of Jesus. The background music had stopped. Everywhere was quiet and normal. My friend stood up, gave me drinking water, and prayed for me. She thought I just had a bad dream.
Many people do not understand that there is a science behind many mysteries. It is a general belief that time cannot be stopped, but not actually. There is a super reality beyond the physical, a gap, strangeness, an exit point out of time. There are supernatural principalities who understands the power, the science, behind the control of time. This is beyond physics. Beyond the orthodox. Witchcraft is not a speculation, it is an existence that defies the known laws of science. This is to say, there are sciences that are yet to be known. Very strange sciences.
We can no longer deny the existence of spirit in our midst. Even European churches do perform exorcism, casting away evil spirits and demons out of victims. Things are happening beyond the perimeters of science. And the fact that we have no answers does not mean we should deny or ignore it. If there are anything we call extreme sports, I think here are the days we should consider extreme sciences.
In life, there are two kinds of existence called zones, time and space, just like the human is made up of the body and soul. You either exist in time, physically, while you are alive and in the body, or in space, where your soul exists as spirit without the presence of the body. But some people don't have to die to become spirits, because they understands the science of getting out of their body. Unlike the timely physical life that we live and exist, in space, there is no time. Space is the world of the spirits. Space is not limited to the galaxy and stars. Space is equally, the breaking points between time, a passage to the cryptical habitat, where every personalities and entities without flesh could exist.
Any evil spirit or demon without a body cannot exist in physical time. That is why you see or hear about demons possessing man or animal, because they need that body to exist in physical time. You can refer to the Bible on how Jesus casted away demons from a man into swine, because the demon desperately needed the body of swine to exist in physical time. Mark chapter 5 verses 1 to 17.